Freeform has opted not to renew for a third season the Lonely Island comedy series Alone Together, which starred Esther Povitsky and Benji Aflalo as platonic best friends who want nothing more than to be accepted by the vain and status-obsessed culture of Los Angeles. The news comes following the run of the show's second season. Freeform previously renewed Alone Together for Season 2 2 months before its series premiere. The 10-episode sophomore season aired in an unusual pattern as the network focused on digital versus linear play for the series. It was available to stream on Hulu along with running back-to-back new episodes over 5 Wednesdays on Disney-owned Freeform. The cable net offered a sneak peek of the first 4 episodes across all of its digital platforms and Hulu beginning July 25. FreeformPovitsky and Aflalo's characters have a contentious, dysfunctional codependent best friendship, but when push comes to shove, they've got each other's back. Plus, they have nobody else to hang out with. In the new season, their odd friendship continues to baffle everyone around them as they continue to find their place in juggling odd jobs, their love lives and aspirations of social status. Co-starring in Alone Together were Chris DElia, Ginger Gonzaga, Edgar Blackmon, and Nikki Glaser. Series writers Povitsky and Aflalo also exec produced alongside Andy Samberg, Jorma Taccone, Akiva Schaffer, Paul Mather, and Becky Sloviter.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.